How to update drivers on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can update drivers on your laptop. So to do that, first of all, go to your start and then simply type in device manager. Now once you've typed in device manager, you can see the list of all of the different devices on your laptop. So for this example, I'll simply update my display adapter. So you can update the drivers of any of these devices right over here. So I'm only taking display adapters as an example. Now, once you've found the device you want to update the driver of, simply right click on it and then you can see the option update driver. Simply tap on it and then it'll basically provide you two different options. You can either search automatically for drivers or you can browse your computer for drivers. Now if you choose the first option, it'll automatically scan for drivers throughout your computer and the internet, but if you choose the second one, you'll have to install it manually. So we'll simply tap on the first option and then as you can see, it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, meaning I don't need to update this driver. But if yours needs to be updated, it'll simply show you the best results on how you can update drivers. So that is basically how you update drivers on your device or your laptop or your PC. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.